Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at a new park exclusive Funko Pop from the Pirates of the Caribbean, and this one is red, number 423. We're gonna take a look at it here in a second. I'll show you all the sides of the box so that you can check it out, and then we'll go ahead and unbox it and actually look at the pop figure itself. I do collect some of these. I'm kind of leaning more towards the the ride or attractions. At this point, that's mostly what I have. Now, my personal opinion on Pirates of the Caribbean and the red that is in the ride is I really don't like it. However, I did decide to buy this. I thought the pop figure was cool, though I don't really care for the new figure that is in the actual attraction today. Really wish they would have just kept the original red head and left it at that. But aside from that, that's not what this is about. Okay, you're looking at the front of the box, and if you look, there's a silver seal that says Authentic Original Disney Parks Exclusive. So that's kind of cool that it has that. Then if you look at the side of the box here, it just says red, and you can see her in there. The back I really like because it's got this wanted poster that says Wanted for Mischief and Mayhem, Red, Pirates of the Caribbean. But I really like that little art that they have there. It has the swords and that underneath her. I really like it though. And then if you going on the other side, the last side just has a picture of red, says 423. We're gonna check this out, and so let's go unbox it. Set the box out of the way. So it looks like it comes with a base. Little clear base. So all this out of the way. Let's put the base on. Snaps on rather simply, right, just like that. And there you have it. She's pretty cool. She kind of has the maroon hat, and she's got her gun as she does in the ride, and she's got her foot up on the barrels. Pretty cool. I do like it. They could have done this with the other redhead, would have been better, but I'll have to settle for this. I'll just kind of spin it around. You can see what she looks like. But I'm not disappointed in the actual pop itself. I do like it and think it is very cool. Will make a very good addition to the pops that I have collected so far. And I guess that's pretty much it. I do like it. Hope you do like it. And just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. More videos coming soon. As a matter of fact, I'm going to Disneyland next week, so hopefully I'll have some more videos from the park itself. So till next time, guys, see you later.